Hello, welcome back to the bathroom. Yep, that's right. Today we are talking about bathrooms. If you are new to the channel, my name is Victoria. I am an interior designer for a living. And on our channel, we talk about all things related to your beautiful home. And if your home isn't beautiful, well, if you hang out for long enough, I guarantee you that we are going to inspire each other and make your home beautiful. I feel like the bathroom is a place we actually spend quite a bit of time in our homes. And so today I wanted to inspire you, hopefully, with some before and afters of multiple design projects that my husband and I have done together at Free Spirit Designs. If you are old to the channel, thank you. Thank you for coming back because we literally cannot do this channel without you. I am in my bathroom. Today you're not going to see my before and after of this bathroom, but like I said, we're going to take you on multiple client jobs where we are going to look at the before and after, and stay through to the end because I want to give you a couple tips and tricks that I know that you can absolutely do in your own bathroom to give it a good refresh this summer. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable from your home, and let's go look at some before and afters together. do you think? Are you inspired? I know a lot of these things seem really big. Like, I can't rip out my vanity, Victoria. I totally get it. I couldn't do it without my husband. So if you're not in a place financially to hire a contractor wherever you are around the world, maybe consider these few things. Maybe you have a bathtub with a shower curtain. Grab a new shower curtain, my friends. That will instantly change the look of your space. And I also want to encourage you to remember that paint goes a long way, as well as wallpaper. We actually have a YouTube video we're gonna link for you on how to hang wallpaper, so maybe you just hang wallpaper behind your vanity. You could even do the peel and stick. While we don't recommend that, I mean, it could definitely give you impact in your space. So, little things like new towel bar holders or toilet paper rings, or a new mirror, so that you don't have to be an electrician, right? If your light is just okay, you can still change up the whole space without switching out your faucets and the lighting, the things that you feel like you can't do on your own or that you might have to hire out. So think about your local stores, the things you can grab, like a new soap dish, a new towel, a new bath mat. All those little details really do change up the look of the space. So I hope that you can take those little nuggets into your home and be inspired and do a little refresh this summer. Thank you again for being here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, you guys, because I know some of you come back week after week and you're still not subscribers. I don't understand. So we would love for you to continue to hang out with us. And there is something very exciting coming soon. So next week, we're doing a pivot. I'm not even gonna tell you, you just need to come back. So yay for new things and hopefully inspiring you in your home. I love you guys. Again, can't do it without you. Have an amazing rest of your Sunday and a great week, and we will see you again next week. Bye guys.